Happy New Year's Eve, everyone! Today is the last day of 2024. Me and Kevin wants to go out and celebrate together, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us. Let's go! So cute! I hope they're open. It's cute!
That looks good.
Tacos de pastor. Besitos. Y birria tacos. In 1 minute your pozole is ready.
Thank you!
Para que lo grabe. The video.
Guys, they gave us a free drink for the video. How sweet! I don't know how we're gonna finish this. We only have 30 minutes because I wanna go see the farm. Why is it spicy?
Chimay, just like the power.
We at the farm. I hope they let us in. God, they play something. Wait, it's pretty live here. Aren't they still open this area? That's chicken. Wait, how do we get in?
I don't think anyone thinks we're here.
Hi.
But there's a dog.
Hi.
You see anyone?
Is that a cat?
Dog.
That's a cat. Hi.
Hello? I don't think anyone wants to see.
Well, that's music, so that has to be someone. No one letting us in. Well, that's car. It's just they play music, so like. I don't think anyone expecting people on New Year's Eve. Wait, how do we go around?
Oh no, we have to go this way.
Which way?
Right, the way.
Excuse me? just open the door.
Well, it's a public place, right? It's not
I feel illegal. Hello. Hi. Hi.
I don't think anybody's here.
Hello. Hi. Sorry, can we still see the farm?
¿No speak Spanish? Oh, no, español. ¿No español? Is it open? Open?
We just ate at the restaurant, so we want to
Okay,
see.
sí, ya, ya.
Oh, look at the chicken! Oh my god, thank you!
Oh my god, that's kind of cool.
Guys! Guys! Oh my god! Oh my god, that's a peacock! Oh my god, wait, that's so many chicken! That one.
Dude, these are bigger than I thought. Pretty cool. Dude, these are bigger than I thought.
It's so big! Oh my god!
Goat?
Oh my god! Hi! 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 It's so nice! Okay guys, that was pretty lit. It was like 5-10 minutes, but it was definitely worth it. Yeah, they should go see them. Guys, we just parked in a neighborhood and now we have to walk far.
We used to walk across and go to
See the cars. It's so packed. I don't even know where they're trying to go because guys, there's alligator in here, but there's no like nothing to stop them. What if they want to come up here, babe?
Just think of it like a slow dog, okay? You can just really kick it and it'll start running. It's just, the only thing is just don't let it catch you. And they can't see that well.